Are home dehumidifiers recalled? There have been some recalls due to the potential for fire or smoke emissions products. Specifically, several models of LG branded, Aire branded, Comfortaire, Inc branded, and Danby Products Limited branded units have been recalled. The recall was announced in June 2016 and affects more than 2.2 million dehumidifiers sold in the US and Canada. The units are at risk of overheating, blown fuses, or circuitry boards, as well as the potential of emitting smoke or fire. There have been nearly 500 reports of overheating in the United States and Canada, including over 24 reports of property damage. Owners of these units should immediately unplug them and contact the dehumidifier manufacturer for a replacement. Those affected vendors are LG Electronics USA, Inc., Aire, Comfortaire, Inc., and Danby Products Limited. In some cases, the products may qualify for a refund, or a replacement model with improved safety features. An affected model can be identified by its brand and date range of manufacture, which can be found on a sticker on the back of the dehumidifier. The stickers specify the brand name, model number, and date of manufacture with the format MMDDYYYY. Participating brands include LG, Aire, Comfortaire, and Danby. Some non-participating manufacturers also have affected models, so it's important to check the stickers to be sure. If a unit is recalled, owners should discontinue use immediately and contact the manufacturer for more information on replacement, refund, or other remedies. As part of the recall, owners are also being contacted directly with information regarding repairs or recalls. If an owner does not receive a notification from a participating manufacturer, then they likely own a unit that is not part of the recall. Home dehumidifiers are an important home appliance but can be dangerous if not properly functioning. At this time, affected models should be carefully inspected and, if found to be faulty, replaced or recalled by a qualified repair person. Faulty models have led to smoke and fire, posing a risk of injury or death. Keeping dehumidifiers well maintained and following instructions for power plugging and unplugging can help to reduce risks of injury or property damage. Consumers should investigate further any concerns they may have, and should contact the manufacturer to determine if their model is affected. The company websites providing model information and remedy options. More information can be gained from the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission website. Be sure to visit this site for updates and relevant product alerts. It is important to remain vigilant and check that all dehumidifiers in the household are functioning correctly and in good condition. Old models may have deteriorated over time and can, in extreme cases, become a fire hazard.